I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an anonymous Bitcoin wallet. While true anonymity is challenging, you can significantly enhance your privacy. We'll explore the difference between anonymity versus pseudonymity and why this distinction matters for your transactions. I'll guide you through selecting the right wallet and show you initial steps to acquire Bitcoin more privately. Let's dive in and secure your digital assets with greater discretion. Choosing the right wallet is crucial for maintaining your privacy. I recommend a non-custodial option, like a hardware wallet or a reputable open-source software wallet, where you control your private keys. When setting up, ensure you generate a new address for every incoming transaction. This practice helps obscure your transaction history. Always be wary of wallets that demand excessive personal data during the initial setup process, as this can compromise your efforts towards anonymity. Acquiring Bitcoin without revealing your identity requires careful steps. Peer-to-peer exchanges or Bitcoin ATMs can offer more private purchasing options compared to traditional exchanges. These methods often allow you to use cash or other less traceable payment methods. Additionally, explore privacy-enhancing techniques like coin join, which mixes your transaction with others, making it harder to trace. Remember, the goal is to minimize any direct links between your personal identity and your Bitcoin holdings. To further enhance your privacy, always route your internet traffic through a virtual private network or the Tor network when interacting with your wallet or exchanges. Be vigilant about your transaction patterns. Consistent sending to the same addresses or specific amounts can sometimes create traceable links. Remember, maintaining anonymity is an ongoing process requiring consistent effort. Also, before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.